Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you have been mining Hamster Kombat, congratulations. Alright guys, so a quick one. If I go over to the airdrop menu right here and I scroll down here, and you can see right here Binance, OKX, Bybit, wallet in Telegram, EBE Exchange right here, and the on-chain airdrop is being added right here. And guys, if you check each of these, you can see Binance KYC needed, Bybit KYC needed, and also OKX. But when it comes to Telegram wallet, they say just light KYC. That is simple, right? And here EBE Exchange, no KYC and no gas fee, right? So guys, if you are watching this video, I'm gonna take you through the step-by-step guide on how to deposit your Hamster Kombat tokens to Binance and Bybit. So in this video, I'm going to cover the both platform. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I will advise you to watch this video to the very end. And guys, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you will be notified. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this video. Alright guys, so before I continue, let me address this. You can see this. In case you are claiming your Hamster tokens to Binance or Bybit, you have to take note of this KYC. Just for those of you that doesn't know what this KYC means, KYC means know your customer. Okay, and what does that supposed to mean? This is what it means. So if I head over to my Bybit right here and I click on this profile right here, you can see here I am verified. So you can see here verified ID. So if yours is not verified, kindly do that before you think of depositing these tokens right there to your exchange. Okay, so the only thing needed right here is your national identity card or BVN. Okay, so make sure you do that before you think of doing this. And so right now I'm gonna start with that person there, which is Binance Exchange. So to deposit your Hamster Kombat token to Binance, this is what you need to do. So first of all, you click on it right here. So once you click on it, this is what you will see. Do you have an Binance? Oh god, that is supposed to be a Binance account. Do you have a Binance account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive HMSTER. So right here, if you don't have one yet, you go ahead and click on no, let's create it. But if you already have one, go ahead and click on yes, I have it. So once you click on it right here, you can see this is ending on the 21st of this month. So make sure you do this before 21st. All right, so make sure you pay attention to this. Okay, this is very, very important. Don't forget, any single mistake from you can cause you losing everything you have suffered for the past how many months. Okay, so to deposit Hamster Kombat tokens to Bybit, all you need to do is Hamster Kombat deposit address and memo. And how do we do that? So let's head over to Binance. All right, so this is Binance homepage, and to locate the Hamster Kombat deposit address right here on Binance, what you need to do is to come over to the wallets at the bottom right here. So I click on wallets, and once you click on wallets, this is what you will see. You can see deposit, withdrawal, and transfer. So what we are doing here is depositing. All right, so you go ahead and click on deposit, and once you click on deposit, you can see right here on my search history, I have already searched for it. So that is what you are seeing here. So just in case you are searching this for the first time, you will not see. So if I delete it, this is how it should look like. All right, so to find the Hamster Kombat deposit address, you come over to this search bar right here. You can see search coin. So don't forget the symbol of Hamster Kombat is HMS. You can see right there, this is it, HMSTER. So you click on it. So you can see the network we are using is Ton network right here. Okay, so you go ahead and tap here, and once you tap on that, this is what you will see. Guys, make sure you pay attention to this. Okay, don't be in a haste to do this. watch this video slowly and do this in step by step. I wouldn't like you to make any single mistake, because someone actually made the same mistake when he was trying to deposit his dog's token to Bybit, and that was how he lost everything. So make sure you watch this video carefully. Okay, so right here you can see important, both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your HMSTER to Binance. So you go ahead and click on continue. Alright, so this is it. You can see the network is on Coin, and this is the deposit address right here. Okay, so what you need to do right now is to click on this copy icon right here. So I'll click, so you can see copy to clipboard, and then go back to the Telegram mini app. Okay, so this is it. So you tap, you paste the address right here, and you can see that is it. And the next thing here we need to copy is our memo. So I will go back to Binance again, and this is the Hamster Kombat memo. You can see it right here. My memo right here is 1020. You can see the numbers right here. So you copy it, and then we go back to the Telegram mini app again. All right, then do the same thing you did before. Click and hold, then paste. Okay, so with this you have successfully copied your address and the memo. Right here, the next thing you need to do is to click on save and choose, and once you click on that, boom, you are good to go. So since I am not depositing anything right now, I'm not gonna click on that. Okay, so that is it for Binance, how to deposit Hamster Kombat tokens to your Binance account right there. All right, so guys, like I said, I'm gonna be covering Binance and Bybit in this video. So the next thing now, we are moving over to the Bybit. Okay, and don't forget guys, please, if you have watched this video to this moment and you like what you are seeing, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe just in case you haven't done that yet. So guys, let's go back. All right, so what you need to do here is to do the same thing you did before. All right, so we click on the Bybit Exchange. All right, so you do the same thing you did before. If you don't have a Bybit account, you go ahead and click on let's create now. But if you have one already, you go ahead and click on yes, I have it. Okay, and this is the same thing we did before. All right, so if you observe right here on Binance, they only asked for deposit address and the memo, and right here on Bybit they are asking for three things, which are Bybit UID, Hamster Kombat deposit address, and the memo. So let's head over to Bybit to get all these. Okay, all right, so from Bybit, to get the UID, click on this profile icon right here. So once you click on it, this is it. You can see this is the UID at the bottom of the email right there. Okay, so you click on it, you tap on the UID, you can see the copy icon right there. So you tap on it and you can see copied successfully. Then go back to the Telegram app, paste your UID. So that is pasted, and we go back again to Bybit, and this time around what we have to look for right now is, all right, so I go back, and guys, from here, don't forget on Binance it was wallet. So on Bybit here you have to click on assets. Okay, so you click on assets. So from asset right here you can see funding account, so you click on funding right here, and this is it. If you come over to here, you can see this search bar right here, so you click on the search bar and search for HMSTER, and guys, this is it. You can see right here, so this is the Hamster Kombat right here, so you click on it. All right, so once you click on it, this is what you will see. You can see deposit, transfer. So you click on deposit, and this is what you see. Don't forget we are on Ton network, so you tap on it. All right, so you can see this is the notice and the rest of them right here. So you go ahead and click on OK. And guys, so this is it. You can see the Hamster Kombat deposit address right here. So you do the same thing you did before, copy it, then go back to Telegram. Okay, so you paste it right here, that is it. That is the address. The next thing right here is the memo. So we go back again to Bybit. So you can see this is the memo. You can see tag / memo, comment, and the rest of them. So you can see 1 2 3. That is the memo right there. So you double tap and copy it. So you go back to your Telegram and paste it right here. Okay, so that is the step. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on save and choose, and that is all on how to deposit your token on Binance and on Bybit. Okay, so that being done, okay, so for those of you using OKX, that is if you are living in a country where OKX is still working, so you do the same thing. And if you are in Nigerian, please avoid OKX, okay, because OKX is no longer available right here in Nigeria. All right, so the next thing right here is the on-chain airdrop. So this is for those of you that will be claiming to your Ton Keeper, Ton wallet, and the rest of the Ton wallets right there. Okay, and for those of you claiming to Telegram wallet, I'm gonna do a separate video about that. So guys, that is it in this video. Make sure when doing this you do it carefully, don't make any mistake. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and guys, if you find this video valuable, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you'll be notified. So see you in my next video, guys.